In today's video, I'm going to show you how to work chainless starting double crochet. And this is going to replace either chaining 2 or chaining 3, whatever you do at the beginning of a row. This is to work my strap here on a bag I'm working on. So here's how you would do it. You just take your needle and pull, or your hook, pardon me, and pull the yarn out about the height of what your double crochet would be, and secure it with your index finger so it doesn't slip. Then you're going to take your hook, yarn over, and then insert your hook into that, insert your hook into that first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and the yarn over, and then finally pull through 2. And that will start the first double crochet, and then you would just double crochet across the row. And then when you get to the end of your row, you just make sure that you pick up both loops to work that last one, because it can often be missed. So here we go. And the final loop is this loop right here. And you got to make sure you get under both legs of that loop, yarn over, and work your regular double crochet. Whoops. And that's it. All you would do now is turn your work and repeat. So I'll show you that one more time. Elongate that stitch so that's approximately the height of a double crochet. Secure it firmly with your index finger. Yarn under, or yarn over, pardon me. Insert your hook. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2. And pull through 2. And that's it. I hope that helps you, and it creates a nice straight edge. So if this helps you, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.